look a bit overdressed. I am, because I wanted to show you something. I have a bracelet as well and a ring too. All these jewelry pieces, they're all mine, and I had them stashed away. I had them stashed away because they were all dirty and they were tarnished. So I got to cleaning them today. And after I cleaned them, I wanted to wear them and show it to you that they still look pretty. The only difference is now they're clean. We all love artificial jewelry, but when they get tarnished, when they get dirty, what do? We just throw them away or we stash them away. We don't like to wear our artificial jewelry which is dirty and which is dull. So what do? We just don't throw it off. We clean it up. That's what I did today. And I'm going to show you how I did that. Say you go to the market to buy a cleaning agent for your artificial jewelry. What happens then? The shopkeeper will show you a number of products. He will lay down a number of products in front of you and saying that these products can be used to clean your artificial jewelry. But if you look closely, those products are not meant to clean your artificial jewelry. They are made specifically for your gold and diamond and silver jewelry. Gold and diamond and silver jewelry are made up of precious metals, gold and silver, platinum, these are all precious metals. They are rare metals and they are non-reactive metals. The quality of these metals is that they are non-reactive, and that is why they are used for jewelry, for daily use. And they last longer because of this quality. But when your artificial jewelry is made, since it is very cheap, the manufacturers of artificial jewelry do not use these metals. They use other metals, substitutes like copper, bronze, copper, bronze, tin and white metal, and an alloy of many metals. Even if somebody is telling you that this is German silver is not real silver. It is an alloy of various metals which are white in color. I will be telling you later on about metals, but today I am going to be telling you specifically about cleaning up of artificial jewelry. So coming to the point, when a shopkeeper lays out all the products for cleaning your jewelry, don't buy those products, because those products are not meant to clean your artificial jewelry. They will react with the alloys and the metals and the polish and the stones which are on your artificial jewelry, and they will damage your artificial jewelry. So I recommend don't go for them. I will show you today what I do to clean my artificial jewelry, and as you can see, this is the clean jewelry. I have cleaned this jewelry today and I am able to wear them. They were stacked away. They had become dirty. They had become soiled, by sweat, by dirt, and by makeup, by perfume, Artificial jewelry is very sensitive and it gets damaged very easily. It gets dirty very easily. The polish fades very easily. So I had stacked them away some time back. Today I got to cleaning them up, and I wanted to show you how I did that. We can do that by various methods which I'm just going to show you, and you need not buy anything from the market. Those products are all available in your own house, at home, and you can use those products to clean your jewelry. Now I think you must be clear that the normal cleaning agents do not work in artificial jewelry, and we should be using different methods and different techniques to clean our artificial jewelry. So let's get going and see how it is done. This is my table laid out. I'll be showing you how I clean my artificial jewelry. So here, as you can see, I have this different kinds of jewelries displayed here for you to see. There are stone studded, there are pearls. This is a stone jewelry with metal accents. I have these jhumkis in artificial bronze. Now this is German silver. I have here displayed different kind of metals so that you can see which type of jewelry has to be cleaned with which cleaning agent. I also have here one lemon, which I am going to show how to use this lemon to clean. I have here this toothpaste, which can also be used to clean up. Some water, a shampoo, preferably a baby shampoo, but since I don't have a small kid in my house, I don't have a baby shampoo at home. Some vinegar. You have to use white vinegar. You cannot use the brown vinegar. Preferably you have to use the white vinegar. And some bowls. You need a cleaning brush. It has to be one with the soft bristles. I have here, as you can see, the bristles of this brush are extremely soft. I have here the softest one which was available with me. You can also use a baby brush if you like, or you can also use a sponge, and some towel for you to lay the jewelry after it has been cleaned. So let's start with the cleaning. First of all, I'm going to be using some water in a bowl. I will put some vinegar here. You don't need a whole lot of vinegar, you just need a few drops so that it does its work. Since it is acetic acid, you shouldn't be using too much of vinegar here. It will destroy the polish. This video is about cleaning artificial jewelry and not your gold and silver jewelry, not the precious jewelry. I am showing here how to clean your artificial jewelry. Since you can pick anything from the market to clean up your gold jewelry, there are various types of cleaning agents which you can use on your gold and silver jewelry. As these are precious metals, it's easy to clean these, but cleaning this can be an issue. These are very sensitive to the chemicals, and the polish is not as thick as you imagine it to be. The polish in these can be easily worn off. If you wear these when you are sweating, if you use perfumes on this directly, and if you have been using them for quite some time, they get blackened out, as you can see. I'm going to be using vinegar to clean this glass pearl and stone chip bracelet. It has some thread work and a bone bead at the back as a clasp. And I'm going to dip this in this solution for a while and then show it to you how it looks after some time. You don't need to dip it for a very long time because the polish on these kind of jewelries is not a very thick coat of polish. It's a thin coat of polish. So you need to keep it for a very short time. So here it goes. Now we will keep it for some time and let it soak, maybe for 2 or 3 minutes. Now for this German silver, I am going to be using paste. You just need to rub a little bit of paste on top of the jewelry. This is an unfinished pendant. You just rub it with this. And keep it aside. I have this plate here and I'll keep this sitting for some time. Now the next cleaning agent is lemon. You just need 1/4 of a lemon. You don't need the full lemon here. You just need just a little bit of lemon. You just need to rub that on the top of a jewelry piece. So I have a lemon. I'll take the seed out. And I'll rub lemon on the golden accents. For the stone jewelry, I'm going to show a different method, but I'm going to use this on this golden chain. You do it on both the sides. I have here in front of you some soap water which I made from this shampoo. You can use any shampoo which is available with you, preferably a baby shampoo, but since I don't have small kids in my house, I use the shampoo which I use, so I'm going to be dipping some more jewelry in this. For this you can use pure metal jewelry. This is alloy. I'm also going to be using this kids thread necklace with glass beads. This pearl jewelry. You can use artificial pearls also. You can clean them in soap water. The best way to clean these pearls is in soap water. So I'm going to be dipping this in this water for some time. This will stay for about 2 minutes, and I'm going to be back after 2 minutes to show you how everything is being cleaned in a proper way. Coming back after 2 to 3 minutes, I have here for you one jewelry bracelet with stone chips which was dipped in vinegar and water. This one which was an alloy, some pearl, and one thread jewelry. This was dipped in soap water, shampoo water. This pendant was cleaned with some paste. I had applied some paste, and this necklace was rubbed with some lemon. So now I'm going to be dipping all of these in warm water, which I have ready here. I have a stirrer here with which you can gently move these around if you don't want to be using your hands, because some people are not comfortable using their hands. I am very comfortable using my hands. Now I am going to use this soft brush to clean this up. As you can already see, the paste has worked really well with this pendant, on this pendant, and it is come out shining. It looks much prettier. It looks much brighter than before, and the German silver is shining like it should, as it was when I first purchased it. You can lay this on this so that the extra water and everything is soaked. So I have here a towel which is already laid for my wet jewelry to dry. Coming back to my warm water, I will clean this up also. Let's go and clean this bracelet which was kept in vinegar. As you can see, it is shining and all the stone chips are much brighter than before. I'm going to clean this up and let it dry. I also have these jhumkis, this necklace, and the pearls. The kids necklace. I have placed all my jewelry to dry up on this towel. After it is dried up, I am going to wipe it with a dry muslin cloth and it will be ready to use. Now this is all dried up. I am going to be wiping off all the excess soap residue and everything. See how fresh and new this looks. The original sparkle is renewed. The stones are shining. The green color is visible. Earlier, this bracelet was very dull looking. Now even the beads are shining. This metallic chain was so dull with sweat and perfume. I have been using this for quite some time, but now this looks as fresh as new. Yay! I'm going to be using this again. I'm so happy. This is the kids' necklace. See how bright the beads look now, as they are all clean. Now this is my pendant. This is one of my favorite pendants, which I use with lots of dresses. Since this has a very big hole, I can use it with a thread cord or a metallic chain, and it goes with lots of my western dresses as well as Indo-Western dresses. It has some turquoise and coral chips on it, some chalcedony here, and a very intricate design. This looks so fresh and pretty. See the shine. These are my pearls. These are golden pearls. And after I have cleaned all of these, my jewelry is fresh again. I hope you liked my video. If you want to know any more tips regarding jewelry, please let me know. I'll see you again with a new video and a new tip. Till then, bye-bye. If you really like the content I posted today, do give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for further notification. Till then, take care, be safe, love you all.